In this lecture, we will discuss preparation of acids and bases. So the first preparation, acids. Acids from non-metals. So according to this reaction, when any non-metal is reacted with hydrogen, it forms a related hydra acid. So you all know that such acids in which a non-metal is present with hydrogen are known as hydra acids. So you can say that this is the preparation of hydra acids. For example, when hydrogen reacts with chlorine, it forms hydrogen chloride. And according to the second example, hydrogen react with iodine, form hydrogen iodide. Then second preparation of acids from acidic oxides. So you all know that non-metallic oxides or oxides of non-metals are known as acidic oxides. Why? Because when these oxides are dissolved in water, they converted in the form of related acid. So this is the second preparation of acid from acidic oxide, and when acidic oxides or non-metallic oxides get dissolved in water, they form a related acid. So P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide, when dissolved in water, it's formed phosphoric acid. Carbon dioxide with water forming carbonic acid H2CO3. Now the acids formed above are carbonic, sulfuric and phosphoric acid respectively. Neutral oxides, example carbon monoxide and nitric oxide, do not produce an acid when made to react with water. So such oxides which are reacting with water and not converted in the form of acid or base are known as neutral oxide. So these two are non-metallic oxides of non-metals, but when reacts with water, they are not forming acid. So these are known as neutral oxides. Then third preparation of acids from salts. So non-volatile acids. On heating with salts of more volatile acids, displace the volatile acid. So according to this preparation, when a non-volatile acid, for example sulfuric acid, reacts with a salt of comparatively more volatile acid, so under this reaction, displaced volatile acid is formed with acidic salt. For example, potassium nitrate, when reacts with sulfuric acid less than 200 degrees Celsius temperature, it's formed potassium bisulfate plus nitric acid HNO3. So here this is displaced volatile acid, and this is the salt of more volatile acid than this sulfuric acid. So here sulfuric acid is acting as a non-volatile acid. Non-volatile acid. So this non-volatile acid is displacing an acid which is more volatile from its salt. So this is salt and this is the displaced volatile acid. In second example, NaCl is reacting with sulfuric acid under same conditions, forming sodium bisulfate plus HCl. So HCl is another example of volatile acid. Next preparation, acids by oxidation of non-metals. So non-metals like sulfur is oxidized by concentrated nitric acid. You know that concentrated nitric acid is a very good oxidizing agent. So in the presence of concentrated nitric acid, sulfur get oxidized in the form of sulfuric acid. So it is a reaction in which This nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, is acting as a oxidizing agent, and it oxidizes a non-metal in the form of its acid. Okay, students. So sulfur with nitric acid forming sulfuric acid plus water plus nitrogen dioxide, which is a reddish brown colored gas. Now we are moving towards preparation of bases. So bases are the oxides and hydroxides of the metals. Bases are oxides and hydroxides of the metals. So first, bases from metals. So metal, when oxidized with oxygen, they get converted in the form of their related oxide, and these metallic oxides are considered as base. Example, sodium with oxygen forming sodium oxide, magnesium with oxygen forming magnesium oxide. The second preparation of bases from basic oxides. So basic oxides which are soluble in nature, water soluble, dissolve in water forming base, and this type of bases are also known as alkali. Okay, students. So water soluble bases are known as alkali. So basic oxide like potassium oxide and sodium oxide, when dissolved in water, they get converted in the form of related hydroxides. Hydroxides. So these are the alkali. Active metals also react with water to give a base, which are known as alkali. So water soluble bases are formed here. So you can compare these two types of reactions. Here metallic oxides, active metallic oxides are reacting with water forming alkali, and in this reaction alkali metals or active metals are reacting with water and forming alkali plus hydrogen gas. So in second reaction hydrogen gas is also formed. Okay, students. So this is the difference of these two reactions. Oxide with water forming hydroxide only, but metal with water forming hydroxide plus hydrogen. Then third preparation, bases from salts. So aqueous solution of salts with a strong base precipitates the base metallic hydroxide. So comparatively strong base precipitated out comparatively weak base from its salt solution. For example, AlCl3, which is a salt solution of comparatively less reactive base. Which less reactive base? This aluminium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide will precipitate out aluminium hydroxide from aluminium chloride. So aluminium chloride reacting with sodium hydroxide forming aluminium hydroxide. So out of these two bases, sodium hydroxide is more active than aluminium hydroxide. So it will displace aluminium hydroxide from its salt solution. In the second reaction, FeSO4 reacting with sodium hydroxide, then ferrous hydroxide is formed. The last preparation of bases, bases by decomposition of salts. So heat on certain carbonates or nitrates gives a base. So it is the decomposition reaction preparation of bases. For example, when lead nitrate is heated, lead oxide is formed, which is a metallic oxide, and that is why a base also, plus nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown gas, oxygen, which is a neutral gas, and odorless gas. This is the equation for the decomposition of lead nitrate. So lead nitrate forming lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. So students, these are the preparation of acids and bases. Learn these reactions by heart. Thank you.